Hi, my name is Shraddha Chaplod. I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Currently, I'm pursuing PGDM at Soil School of Business Design with majors in human resources and minors in analytics. I am a BBA honors graduate, specialization in human resources itself. My journey at Soil has been full of ups and downs. I've been always been a very proactive person. I was involved in as a graphic designer in social media club at Soil, and I also had a chance to research and publish my research paper at ABDCC category Australia Journal. The paper was titled as the role of psychological safety in workplace ostracism and workplace alienation among the IT sector employees. And apart from that, my team and we won the Zomato X Gear Up Challenge, which was an entrepreneurial challenge. Our brand was a vegan leather bag, Trove and Terra brand. So we presented and we got a funding of 5,000 rupees. I also had a chance to visit the Sidbari retreat, which was a really life-changing experience, like a soul refreshment sort of an experience. So I did my summer internship at Kriva, Kanodia High Tech Private Limited, a luxury real estate organization based out of Gurgaon. My role was as an HR intern. I got a very enriching experience in different functional areas of HR, for example, talent acquisition, compliances, labor laws, and employee engagement, etc. And the whole team and the SSOBD team was very cooperative throughout the summer internship, and the experience really helped me to connect the theoretical knowledge with the practical application of the whole process. And yeah, I got to learn a lot from the summer internship. After the completion of my summer internship, I was able to confidently say that I am very much equipped with the different practical aspects of HR domain. So I, being a fresher, was not aware about the corporate world, how the ground reality is in the corporate world, and this internship as a fresher was very beneficial for me to guide a fresher to learn about the practical corporate realities and experiences. I got placed at Infosys as an associate consultant role, ESAP role, and the whole process was very overwhelming for me, to right from the preparation to getting placed. And the shortlisting itself was very taxing, because out of 250 applicants, only 70 people got shortlisted for the second round, which was the technical PI round. And I, being a fresher and coming from a non-tech background, was very difficult for me to crack that role. But with the right resources that were provided by the CDS team here at Soil, the HR compendiums, the case studies, the practices of elevator pitches and group discussions, I was very confident with my preparation, and I was following each and every task and homeworks that were given to us by the CDS team at the day of the placement and the interview. I really used all those learnings and knowledge that were given to us by the CDS team. The technical round was full of my experiences, why I did a particular project, what was the impact that I made through that particular academic project, and why would I want to go to a technical round which had an HR aspect but purely a technical round, but like whys of everything, the reason behind why I was doing a particular thing. I was very much prepared for all those questions in the very advance. And the second round was HR round, which was a behavioral sort of a round where they were trying to assess how my behavior is under the pressurizing situations. I was able to tackle the whole interview with the help of the mock interviews that I had a chance to give here at Soil. I gave around 5 to 6 mock interviews before my personal interview with Infosys. So overall, I would say that Soil has been a very great space for me to expand my horizons and learn and reflect on myself and my journey, my professional journey, and making connections and keeping faith within the process has helped me stay content and positive throughout the placement process and throughout the career professional journey.